Hello guys, so today I'm going to be making this origami boat. It's a pretty simple model. Okay, so first you need a square sheet of paper, like so, and you're going to fold it in half. Like that. Just flip it over to check the side. And now you want to open that. And you want to bring these two edges right here to this center line. Okay. Okay. And the same thing on the other side. Okay, and now you want to flip it over like so, and you want to bring these two edges now again to the center line. Like that, and the same thing on the other side. Okay, like that. And now you're going to fold this edge now, right here, to that center line. This one of them for measurement. Then where this edge is, you're going to bring this whole thing up. Okay, and just unfold that. Like that. Okay. And now you want to bring this bottom edge to that center line. Okay. Like that. And now go to the other side, and you're going to bring again this edge right here down to the center line, like that. And you're going to do that 2 times, okay, like a paper airplane. So you're going to bring this edge again to that center. Like that. And the same thing on the other side. So now bring this edge down to the center line. And once again, now this edge here, down to the center. Okay, now flip it over, and you see this pocket here. You're going to open that up and square out the back, kind of fold right there, and of course same on the other side. And you're going to open this up and kind of shape that up, and here it is. This is a origami boat. So yeah, try it out. Try floating it and everything. So thank you for watching and have a great day.